Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can delete Regiment in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just Call of Duty, go here to top corner, go to Regiments, you're gonna select your regiment here, and you want to click Manage Regiment, and you're gonna select Delete Regiment right here. So click on it and then just press Confirm and you will have deleted Regiment. So again, right top corner, then go to Regiment, Manage Regiment and Delete Regiment. Thank you everybody very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance, some support. And that's pretty much it, my brother from another mother. Goodbye.